Hello, teachers. So let me start with talking about integration, right? What is integration? What is real-time integration? When integration is being talked about, the very first question that comes in my mind is how much can a student do on the board? So it's not just the teacher who's working, right? So it's the students as well. And to be able to have that evidence of learning of whatever was taught in the class in a very prompt manner helps the teacher in assessing that how much she could actually impart, right? So there's this amazing feature that has come up, and I'm going to be talking about that in this small tutorial. So let's get right into it. The very first thing is that on the software, you need to sign in. So this will be the dialog box that's going to pop up the moment you sign in. Right now, I have already signed in into this, and you can see my name on top as well. So wherever my name is being displayed, similarly, your name will be displayed once you log in through your account, right? So the moment you click on this, it shows you a pop-up like this. So what is this? This is actually a QR code and a scanner, both available for the students to throw anything, any picture, any assignment that you might have given to them in an offline setup, online setup, or even a hybrid setup on your board. If it's an online setup, so we are assuming, of course, the student has that internet connection and probably a mobile phone. But even in absence of mobile phone, the link works perfectly fine. So what the students will be required to do is they will be asked to scan this QR code and they will have access to my whiteboard screen over here and they can throw their work. So maybe an answer to a particular question or an assignment or any file, right? So that's how this works. In case of in case that the student or the participant does not have a mobile phone, then they can surely go to this link over here and they'll be transferred to my whiteboard, right? So let's actually try this. I'm going to show you how this works. So I have my mobile phone over here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly scan this QR code, and you don't need to have any app. You just need to scan this QR code using your normal camera, right? So I'm going to open my camera. So this is my camera, right? And I'm going to scan this and it takes me to a link, right? So I'm going to show you how this link works. All right, so once you scan as a student, this is how it's going to look like. You need to enter your name and then click on confirm. So once you confirm, it will take you to a page where you can upload any image video from your gallery. So you can choose your image, go to the library, and once you have successfully chosen, click on it, click on add, and after that you'll see that your image has been successfully sent to your teacher's whiteboard. All right, so what I did was scan the QR code and I could actually throw any image from my gallery, or I could even click it on the spot and send it. And this is where it's going to look. So I'm going to mark it for you. So the bell icon that you see will pop, will actually ring once any one of your students send an image or throw a file. So I'm going to open this and you can find plenty of files. I'm going to import one on my screen, this one. So yeah, I can close this QR code and that's a response sent by one of my students. Right, so this is how it will show. So accordingly, you can actually minimize, maximize the size of the image and place all the images, all the responses that you get from your students on the screen. So yeah, that's how this works. I hope you make good use of this particular feature. Thank you.